cheesecake is my favorite. Spanish latte na large. And then, yung white mocha, pwede po sweeter. Thank you. And then oat milk also. Ay, yung third po. Camera! Hi guys. Oh, say hi.
Hey guys!
Hi y'all. I'm gonna get my laundry. Sasama ko sila.
We're at Shai's room. May regalo daw siya sa akin!
Hindi naman siya lang over.
May birthday gift naman. Ano to? It's a bag. Alam ko na to kung saan mo binili. I already know what it is. Ah! Cute! Dapat pala hindi na ako nadala ng bag. Oh my gosh! Thank you! Thank you! Ay, it's nice. I like it. Soft leather. Okay, let's use it today, guys. Guys, this is so cute. Thank you to Shai. Happy birthday to me. Ay, ang cute. May charm siya. You know, bibili dapat ako ng gantong size. Yung malaki talaga. Share kami ni Mark.
Ano yung gift mo?
Okay. Open mo.
Order ko yan sa Dubai. Buti may ano doon.
Ay, ang cute. Ay. Guys, punta kami school kasi mag-enroll si Shai. Hindi ko nga alam sa'yo yan. Na para bang kasalanan.
Shai, ano ginawa mo? Wala akong
Ganyan talaga yan.
Inaaway niya ako, guys.
Look at my phone. It has a ano. Hey guys, can you hear me? I have a microphone.
Can you hear me and see me? Let's taste test, guys. Ayun yung isa.
Magta-try daw sila ng Dubai Chewy.
It's Dubai chocolate.
Ay, chew. Chocolate pala. Sorry, guys.
May business kasi siya, guys. Kami yung business namin. Mind our
What
own
in the
business.
world is this?
Guys,
Oo nga,
for
no.
the record,
Guys,
hindi ako
I'll just-
dugyot.
I'll make the
No, I mean, like,
no,
why?
look at the kanafe.
Yeah, like, it's super onte.
Yeah, like, manipis lang siya.
Feeling ko binili rin to na tito.
Arte.
Yan ay.
Okay naman ah.
You don't have a microphone, so you don't get to try it.
It's my vlog.
What color is mine? Oh, mine is
You wanna change
white.
it?
Mine's red.
No.
Ako ko may dead air for a minute. Dali na, Mark.
Ba ako?
ready.
Siya nga daw muna. Yung mic mo saan? I hope this tastes better than this.
Baka sabihin nung tatrash talk tayo. Sarado na yan.
Yeah, you can have that.
Mas maganda pa din yung
Bakit yung pagkakagat ko nag-crumb? Pwede ba lagyan ko ng activator?
Yeah.
No, I think you need to knead it lang.
But I tried that and then it went all over my hands.
Wala kang
It's yung glue, parang,
nagsiseparate. Pinapunat lang sa akin.
Okay guys, let's move my things into this bag.
May tag pa siya.
Ako nag-send ng brand nito kay Shai. Sabi ko, dito ka na lang tumingin ng bag.
Ew, why is it so sticky?
It's a slime.
Ayun, no, ano yun?
Nagaano talaga yung bag.
Kanino?
Huwag sa t-shirt.
Sorry. Dito.
Oo nga, ano ba?
Ika-cut out ka naman. Pareho tayo ng gunting.
Kasi ninakaw nila yung scissors ko. Scissors, di nyo binalik. Kasi mga taga-beda din, di kayo marunong magbalik ng gunting, may pangalan na yun. Hindi
Just
na
give me
ako
Saka yung calculator mo.
We?
nakikita ko TikTok mo tag.
Ay, really?
Alam mo yung Abisalay, si Fuker. Bumukha akong crazy person dito. Okay guys, wanna see my Monchichi?
May t-shirt niyan sa Uniqlo. I took a picture but I forgot to send it.
At school na. Campus tour! So now, mag-ikot-ikot na lang kami kasi mission
You're
failed.
gonna have a BF.
What's a BF? Bitch fit. How do you feel?
Wala, I
have a
feel...
BF.
Sapakin ko na yan.
Guys, kanina pa sila ganito on the way. Feeling ko kung ako nag-drive, ma-overstimulate ako kay Mark. Baka masigawan ko si Mark. Mark! Oh yeah, there's a lot of cats here. Anyways, I think after nito, we're gonna get Jollibee na lang and we're gonna go home. Hi guys, let's taste test some Spanish bread from Julie's.
Milk bites.
Ay, milk bites pala.
Because it looks so good.
Is milky?
Yeah.
We're not sure.
It's like glazed. Ay, ba't yung hinipan?
Ako din, give it take a bite.
Ako.
Yummy.
Sakit sa singaw.
Yeah. I like the milk bites first.
Okay guys, uwi na kami kasi mission failed. And then kakain kami Jollibee. Thank you, tita. Hi guys, we're at Vermo.
Sa.
Okay, where are we going?
Jollibee.
Saan ba yung Jollibee dito? Guys, I am kinda hungry but also not kasi nag-Jollibee din ako this morning. We're gonna get donuts. Mini donut. Try natin yung take-out window nila.
Biglang, Ano, sa loob po mag-order mo.
The New York cheesecake is my favorite.
Namimili pa ako.
May minis pa.
Hindi siya pa siya sa
I got a donut. Sideways kasi mga gaga.
Hindi talaga.
Nag-grip siya.
You guys didn't get a hat for me?
Ayun din, oh.
Ay, sorry.
Magpapaw mo na sana na.
Ayun yung discussion.
Oh my God.
Hindi ko gagalawin yung ulo ko. Pinin ko na
Ano ba to?
Guys, kasya na siya sa akin pero napunit yung likod niya.
We're gonna try our horchata.
First week.
Yummy? Okay guys, we got a dozen donuts kasi wala na daw silang minis. And then now we're gonna go home kasi pagod na kami. Actually lang. It's good naman. Tamis lang. Me too, me too, me too. Okay. Hey guys, we're going home. See you at home. We're gonna taste test some donuts. Hi guys, we're home. We're gonna try donut. Well, not try. We're just gonna eat donuts. And then we're gonna watch Devil Wears Prada. Yes! Devil Wears Prada 2.
To end the day?
Hindi matapon.
Hindi
Okay, you
matatapon,
pick.
guys.
This is mine.
Yes.
You pick.
This is mine. May apple crumble. Kasi hindi siya matamis masyado.
Apple crumble. I got the New York cheesecake because it's so freaking good.
Sarap yung apple crumble, guys. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Oh my God, I'm getting old.
Guys, we went to, una sinandun nila ako. And then, pumunta kami sa house, lumabas na naman kami ulit, nag-ayos kami, pumunta kami sa school, pumunta kami sa Vermosa, and then we went home.
Kung hindi lang magko-close yung laundry nun, i-add namin yun.
Wait na sing ako. Okay guys, naod na kami. Hi guys! If you guys can hear the rain, I do apologize for that. I can't do anything about that. There's currently a storm going on as of editing this. But I realized I don't have an outro for this vlog because the minute that Shy dropped me off, I was knocked out. Like, I was sleeping throughout the whole day. I was in and out of sleep. Just shows of how tired I was that day. I had so much fun. I got to spend time with Shy and Mark. But I think this is officially my last summer vlog before school starts. I think. I'm not quite sure, but we will see because I was actually supposed to start school this week, but like I said, there's a storm right now. That's going to be it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.